Well, this battery says it's fully charged, so let's see how long it lasts. I'm not fully charged. I gotta admit, I'm not. I am struggling today to wrap my head around things actually, but I'm going to. So I'm trying to make up my mind. I'll swing you around where I'm going to put Amaya and whether I boot her up into Tessa's enclosure. And of course then we have little Miss Apani over there who I'm thinking about putting in Amaya's. And then of course, where does Tessa go? And where do I fit Tess? And even though Tess has been used to being out there in that dining room area, I want to try and figure out bringing her in here. So I'm contemplating putting an enclosure up here where Amaya is, and Tessa can be in this lounge room with me, which I think will be good for Tess, even though she's going to be higher up. And I don't like standing on things to get to snakes as such, but occasionally, sometimes you've got to do what you've got to do. And I really like being surrounded by my snakes. I hate the fact that Maya and Tess are out there, full stop. I really hate it. And eventually I'm going to have to look at that not all of them are going to fit in here. Of course, if I get rid of my TV, which I never watch, I could put my snakes there. But I'm not pulling my TV down and all the plugs, and I just don't have the ability to do that on my own. And I'm pretty much a person that does most things all on her, and I'm so close. I know I am, and nobody wants to see my face up that close. But so anyway, I'm just brainstorming here with you guys, because that's what I like to do, is, like I said, share some of that more, who I am and how I think and what's going around in my head, in between picking up and going, right, I'm going to do a video today about this or that or whatever. Just what I do and how I think about things. So right now I'm just brainstorming, and I'm going to try and get that burst of energy to get going and get things moving, and go and ask my neighbour very nicely if he could help me lift the enclosure up. It's more about lifting the enclosure up where I need it to go. But in the meantime, I've got to get my snakes out, get them into a tub as I'm going to. And I like them to be, as much as I know they're perfectly fine in a tub and it's not going to hurt them, I like to get them in and out as fast as I possibly can. Not as much as I can, as fast as I possibly can. And get this going. And when I do, we'll add more to this video, I guess, for you to see what I've done or what I didn't do. Because I'm a bit of a procrastinator sometimes as well, but fingers crossed I can get it done. So I'll be back later. This is going to probably be all day. Hello baby girl. Well, she's not exactly a baby girl, is she? Hey, she's a big girl, my Lily. But I have had the most, I wouldn't call it the most laziest day, Sunday. I have uploaded a video, which was Lily coming out first, and then of course taking Jack outside. So I have uploaded a video for all you wonderful people that support my channel, and Then I had my daughter come over with the kids, and my granddaughter is staying for the evening. But Lily has been, if you can see, you know, scooting around, wanting to come out. But I've kind of left her for a little while. And my dogs are barking, but I've got the camera on, hey? And that's what my dogs do when I turn the camera on. I think I've trained them, guys. When I turn on the camera, you guys need to bark, okay? See? Very well trained, my dogs are. But I am in the process of moving the stuff away from here. And I've got all this stuff off of there as well, because Amaya's going to be going up there. And I have brought this enclosure down, which you can't see because I haven't got the light on. So let's flick that light on. I am watching Lily. She's over there. I can see her head. You can see her just poking it up on the pillow there. I'll keep my eye on her. She's fine. She'll just cruise down there for a little while. She'll make her way up, for sure. And my battery's going flat, and believe me, it's been charging for a long time and it's going flat. But I do have, I'll go this way out of Zoom, this ready to go. And this is going to become Tessa's new home for a while. And eventually I will be putting the other one on top and making it double, so she's going to have the height. So guys, I have started. It's all been cleaned out. All I've got to do is set it up, and that's what I plan on doing. And when I have, I'll come back, put the camera back on, and I'll let you see what I've done. So till then, I will say bye, and of course, bye to Lily Lou, who is making her way up, as you can see, slowly but surely making her way up. Do you need a hand, darling? Need a little bit of a helping hand? Only on the fact that it will just make it a bit quicker and easier for her if I just give her a little bit of support in a mid-section. But okay, I'll hold that. Sorry guys, I'm just holding this bottle which she'll use as a grip to keep going. And once she's got enough of herself up there, of course I won't need to hold it. But right now, and my camera has beeped, but she's cool now. So, yep, bye from me and Lil. Okay, I'm one-handed, and guys, I'll try and hold this, and I'll try and hold my girl, and I'm opening up, and we're gonna see what, yep, if I can get up there fast enough with her. Wow, what do you think, Tess? What you thinking? Hey? What you thinking? Well, she's kind of in and out. Well, in and out. Hey, there you go. Hang on, I'll try and get up. Let's see what she does. She does not like her tail being touched, of course. What is it, Tess? Oh, she's checking everything out. Totally checking everything out. What is it? What do you think? Wow, she says. Now this is only 500 high. The one she was in was 750. So it's not as high, but she certainly got the room lengthwise, and it's high enough for Tessa right now. So she's going up on the hammock, checking that out. She goes. Yeah, she's got her water bowl for now. I will be able to maybe put a little bit bigger one in there for her. But yeah, she's just going to explore. What do you think? That'll be a good spot to curl up. Hey? So curious. Yeah, she's just checking it all out. Everything's new. What do you think? I think she's just going to hang there. Taste everything. Hey, Missy. What are you doing? Now, she's such a climber, and I wanted to give her so much more climbing area, actually, more than anything, and just lots to climb on. She would basically go to the bottom of her other enclosure or up to the top. There was no floor space, whereas I'm hoping, you know, with all these long branches in here, that you'll utilize, you know, the whole length of the enclosure and spread herself out a bit, instead of being curled up in a hide or curled up in the hammock. I mean, that's up to her and how she wants to do it, but now she's going to go in and explore the hide, see whether that's a good place to hang out. And there she goes. Don't know if she'll go all the way in or partly in and go, okay, that's somewhere where I can curl up and have a nap if I want to. You know, she's very confident, and I don't think there'll be any issue. I think she'll settle in here quite nicely and, yeah, be quite happy here. So she's not due for a feed for a few days, so hopefully by then she's cool and she's worked out where everything is and is happy with her space. So yeah, she's just looking, tasting, checking everything in there. That might be it for a while, guys. I think she's just going to keep herself in there, and you know, if she comes out a little bit later and starts moving all around, I'll put the camera back on and I'll show you what she's getting up to. Oops, here comes her little head. Here comes her little head. What do you think, Tess? What are you thinking? Do you like it? Hey? What do you think? Good? Maybe? Maybe not? You've already been in there. Yeah, well, might have changed since the last time I stuck my nose in there, Mum. like I said, if she starts cruising around a bit more, I'll flick the camera back on. She might go all the way in now and curl up for a little while. So I might see you later, I might not, but I will put an ending to the video. Later on, that is, I'll put an ending to the video.